Hey guys, so today we will talk about operational database, data warehouse, and what's the difference between them. So operational database and data warehouse both store organized data, but operational database consists currently updated data mainly for day-to-day activities like create, update, delete, etc. It basically consists normalized data, so number of tables are more, but it consists less volume of data as comparison to data warehouse. On the other hand, in data warehouse, data is extracted from different sources in which operational database is also a source, and then ETL is applied, and then finally data is loaded into the data warehouse. Data warehouse consists denormalized data, so number of tables are less, but there is a huge volume of data as comparison to the operational database. There are many technologies and tools which are used to manage the data warehouse and operational database. One of them is OLAP and OLTP. Many times we get confused and assume OLAP as data warehouse and OLTP as operational database, but there's a difference. Like OLAP is a data management tool which enable to organize the data in the data warehouse and do pre-calculations so that fast query can be executed for analysis and decision making. Similarly for OLTP. Now let's take an example. In any application or like Amazon, if customer relocate, then his previous address and the current address, there will be two addresses, but in operational database it will show only the current address and previous address will be deleted because it only show the currently updated data. But in case of data warehouse, it will show both the address, previous address and the current address, because it store the current data as well as historical data, so that if there's need in future to analyze or query on the historical data, then it will be possible. Thank you.